Hey, this is John Young. Today we are out here doing some cleaning, some fall cleanup here. They did some road work here, and the house is basically covered with that fine dust and such you'd have from gravel for, goodness, a number of months. So we're going to be using a couple of things here to clean. We're going to get the siding wet. We're going to be using our little EZClean here from Ryobi, a little battery powered. It has our 18 plus battery in here. Then we're going to be coming through and getting it kind of using a little mopping type tool here, and I'll go into that detail when we get to that point. But this is going to be kind of a run straight through video so you guys can see the process, because we're going to be cleaning it from the corner here to the end and hitting the windows. We'll be polishing and doing the windows a final time once the siding is dry, and that won't be in this video, but this will just give you an idea of how these things would work, using them to clean the siding of a house. So the first time through, I just used the rinse. I wanted to get things wet. And now I've got two options. I've got a turbo, which is more of a spot, and then I have a 15-degree fan. That's what I'm going to now. Using a little device now, we've just gone through and we rinsed it. We used the 15-degree to kind of rinse to wash off the main part of the dirt. Now we're going to be moving over to our little brush here that we're using. Now this system is a Doca pole system here. They've got a variety of different heads. That you can use for this system. And we've got our little bucket here with some cleaning. Put a little soap in here. So now we can go through and wash the siding down and try to get any of those last spider webs or any bird droppings, because unfortunately there's that along with the dust from the construction project. One thing I do like about this Doca system is that you can change the heads. So you have a variety of different options with the heads for cleaning different places. And this particular one can extend. I believe this is a 24-foot unit. So I have extension within this unit. So I could do the peak on a two-story house. And that's one of the reasons I bought this particular unit. So we've rinsed, we have pressure washed some of the big stuff off. And now we're back to the point of, did the soap. Now we're going to rinse it off and kind of be pretty much wrapped up in this spot. Okay, so that pretty much gets us to the end of our little demonstration. I'm going to continue to do the rest here, but my daughter mowing lawn is going to be coming around. It's going to make it really loud, so the video won't turn out as well. Using just a couple simple things. I'll put links in the description below so you can go check these things out. This is the last generation, by the way, of the power cleaner the EZClean from Ryobi. It's not a pressure washer. This is a power cleaner, meaning that it's going to only get to 300 psi in this one. The next generation gets to 600 psi, so it's a little bit stronger. And then if you get into a pressure washer, you're talking 1,000 psi plus, depending upon if it's electric or gas. But for something like this is vinyl siding, and I didn't want to get into one of the more durable, industrial, whatever cleaners, because I didn't want to be blowing holes into older vinyl siding. This house it's had this on for 20 plus years, and on some of the spots where it's been in the sun, the vinyl is it's concerning that a pressure washer might blow holes in it. So this works wonderfully for that. Looks great. We'll put take a look at this. Here's our kind of a before picture, and you can see how dirty and gringy and the kind of orange gravel dust is. And here's the after we've cleaned it up, and it looks so much better. Once again, links will be in the description below so you guys can go check everything out here that we've used in this application. And of course, the little pole here with its different accessories. We'll be using some in different spots as we're cleaning around the gutters and such, because that won't work as well as some of the other things will. Again, accessories, check them out in the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.